copyright. Go on, buddy Jeffrey, up. We're on our way to Hurricane. Don't need directions, hometown track, but you know, always like try to beat the clock. Like says we're gonna get there at 9:40. Got some bikers. Nice, like to see that. He's probably not gonna answer. Kind of scared of me. I don't know, maybe.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging.
Yeah. See you at the track, boy.
570.
Yeah, so 9:39. We already saved a minute. You know what I mean? So we're gonna try to get there as fast as we could. Kyle's coming today. New character you're gonna see. So we got McDonald's. Left it on the porch last night. 2 Gatorades, water. Another biker out. It's bike day. So yeah, see you at the track. Look who called me. I was just getting ready to vlog. Yep. Say hello to the vlog. Yep. That's all I say is yep. Now I mentioned we're gonna have a new character today. Brand new character. As you see, rocking the DJ's Belmar camo hoodie. Right out of Belmar, DJ's. Bringing it to Hurricane Hills. Got the Western Express in front of me. I think I'm gonna go for a pass. We're just gonna hammer it out.
Really? Get it together. I'm having deja vu.
Start going fast, it starts braking.
Hey, what class you going out?
Need my mechanic out here.
You know you have to take the bolt all the way out.
Oh, do you? Oops.
Kyle made it. Let's see this puppy. Wow. Can't hide money. Can't hide money. Look at him. Brand new truck, brand new bike, race gas.
This is a used truck.
Race gas, can't hide money. Wow. Look at the graphics. Oh no, they're not. I thought they were missing. Wow.
1 hour.
Wow. He's actually out for once.
Not working.
Nope.
I told you, I'm not working, I'll be out.
Nope.
Jade special.
Jabby! The vlog. The vlog. Oh, he's
I gotta do a little bit of film.
We didn't officially introduce it. Like, we didn't say what number it was or nothing.
Number what? Better than I do.
The camera's rolling.
Hey guys,
Vlog number. 8900, 400.
8900, 400, what?
I don't know. We're at Hurricane Hill.
Hurricane, we all decided we're gonna drop the Florida gear in Northeast PA, because, you know, why not? Represent! Jade Brown signing in. Trying to get my boots on.
Hopefully I don't land on another kid this year. Let's go. Jeffrey's ready to freaking rip some shit today. What class you riding today?
It's a little wet, AB, it's a little wet. I don't get the hype about this.
Everybody's staring at me. They never seen an old bike before.
Never seen an old bike for the first time.
We got problems. Well, hanging it up. Alright, the old iron went well. Pretty happy with it. Took the shifter off. It wasn't the right one, that's why it slipped. But going back on the 125. Gonna show him business. Kyle can't hide the money. Just had a Lunchable. Who's out there? That guy almost died. Another one. Oh God. Alright.
Party.
Shout out to night shift.
Shout out the night shift. And Anna Kukla.
Right. Hidden in the video. Shout out to Eddie Wido.
Eddie. Who's Marty?
Marty who?
Marty.
Stay tuned. We're rolling. Go ahead, Kyle. I hear you. No lift to that elevator whatsoever. Terrible. I gotta get Kawhi. As it came to the half. That jump's dumb Let go more. Like it's done. What happened?
It just loosened up.
Alright, update on the day going on. 125 is not it today. I don't know why.
It is.
Hemi had problems with his last week. He riding here. I don't know what they did to the track. It is not for a 125. I was riding that better.
No
He says no problem. I mean, he's running a scoop though, so that might happen. Me and he's not racing because he's a little gotta graduate. But me and Kyle, Hemi, Justin,
The team's gonna do good.
it's for the vlog.
No way. We're here at Dusty Pete, tearing it up. There's a little soupy Pete this morning.
Tell him the 125 ain't it here.
No, it ain't here. Every outside berm to wig it, you know?
Yeah.
Gotta feed it.
Nothing.
Nope. Bleh.
Look, that's terrible. But well, I planned on racing tomorrow. I know I do pretty good, but the bike ain't it today. I don't know. We're gonna have to see. I'll do the 125 class and then unsure on what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna bring that. I'll bring my other 250 just so I can do good. Kyle's gonna race. Huh? You want me to bring it? For the vlog.
What's up?
For the
Jeff
vlog.
Segilia blog. I'll be on YouTube. What's going on? What are we talking about?
We're racing tomorrow. Not a 125 track anymore.
Definitely not a 125 truck.
No, we're
More like a 500.
Yeah.
500, bring that.
Go give it hell.
I can't go back to the
What do you think?
They're nice.
Yeah, I'm really up in the air if I'm gonna race tomorrow. I really want to do
really
this.
saw their
Not digging the 125, I can tell you that. What do you think? Alright, we'll keep you updated. I might do another moto. I don't know. Really not a fan today.
My pedal, well, that's what happened. Karma.
Went out for one more. Oh, it almost went.
That's my bike! I know how to ride! It's ridiculous! My bike! If you kick it fast enough, it'll start. It'll start.
Yep, looks like I'm not racing. Don't run half gas. It's officially garbage. Has to be the reason. Maybe I'll race the old one. Well, I don't know if I'm racing or not. Probably not now. But well, it's officially the end. Got nothing. Unbelievable. What do we got to say to end the vlog? We're ending ending the vlog.
Well, I didn't crash. I didn't land on anybody. I didn't fall. Only stalled once. But good day. Good day. All tucked out. Set all the keys I can.
You should probably twist the gas when you make it over the jumps.
Not when the bike don't run right.
I'm looking for a big steak dinner tonight, boys. Good old steak. Like a hockey puck.
For tomorrow?
You know now. Wanna go?
Yeah, I'm not racing.
You going to
Can't
Roadhouse?
race now. I'll go to Roadhouse. We should go to Roadhouse.
I think that.
Gotta wait for the green light. No honking. Koanik hit me like 4 times already. I think my bumper's definitely broke. 155 on her. She's good to go. Target. We're gonna do some. Come on! Everybody's hogging. Roadhouse.
Fucking, what the hell? What the heck, man?
Yeah, why did it slam at 3 o'clock?
Going to Texas Roadhouse. Say hi to the vlog.
Did you do a reservation?
Well, I didn't know how many people. It was supposed to be like 8.
I know.
And now there's 4. Got a mystery man.
Wait, get me.
There's Torben back there. He's vlogging. Yeah, that thing's junk. Whoa, hey, what's going on back there? Texas Roadhouse. Yeah! Peace out.
Keep it coming, keep it coming, keep it coming. Slow, slow, slow. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Slow, slow, slow. Keep going. All right, you hit me. Roadhouse.
I really should have.
Oh, baby. Whoever stole my corn.
I charged it last night. Didn't turn on.
Okay, over.
I think
Roadhouse. Hammered the peanuts.
Jade, always getting 2 drinks.
Take a swig. How is it?
Orange.
Nice. Stay tuned.
Got it.
I don't know if I can see with the magic.
How's like the ribeye? Oh?
I need my mom to come and help me cut this. Damn, I'm struggling.
It's pretty big.
Yeah. I like it burned.
Well, you can tell I ate. Filled up.
Bellied up.
Yeah, belly check.
Bellied up.
Yep.
What are you gonna get?
Yep, definitely bellied up. Bellied up.
Hey.
Remember, this is the conclusion. Don't smoke crack. We may race tomorrow, we may not. We're not sure. Ow! This is the conclusion. Well, I got scratched.
All right. Mahalo. We'll see you later.
Okay.